Hey guys, it's Mike and Steven, Narcoleptic Customs. Tonight, I'll just back up here, show you real quick. Taking the stripped Tahoe, but also wanted to show you the big truck. Steven took the cab or the rear cab off of it. Thing looks gigantic. So anyways, we're gonna go deliver this thing. All right guys, we're out here at Josh's place. We're gonna push Tahoe off. So I'll flip it over and let you guys see that. Thanks, dude. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, that's it. Tahoe is gone. Thanks to Steven for pulling it out there. Thanks to Josh for buying it on the spot. I mean, it was literally on the Facebook Marketplace for 7 minutes before somebody tagged Josh, and I sent him a message with the price and stuff like that. So, thanks everybody. Yeah, see y'all next time.